I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make paper chocolate step by step. Start by washing hands and clearing a clean workspace, then gather thin food-safe paper, edible cocoa dust, and food glue. Measure and cut paper squares precisely, stacking them in even layers. Use a soft brush to dust cocoa for color and press layers gently to bond. Work slowly to keep edges neat and realistic for best results. In this video, I will explain how to make paper chocolate step by step. Begin folding each square carefully, using a bone folder for crisp creases and consistent thickness across layers. Alternate the grain direction as you stack to prevent warping and to simulate real chocolate texture. Keep folds aligned so seams are hidden and trim edges with sharp scissors for clean lines. Patience here yields a convincing, candy-like appearance. In this video, I will explain how to make paper chocolate step by step. Quick recommendation: if you like reading recipes and craft guides anywhere, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for comfortable, pourable reading. If this video helped, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials, and check the description for the product link and other deals. I appreciate your support and feedback. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make paper chocolate step by step. Lightly brush edible cocoa and brown dust onto the surface in thin layers to build natural shading and depth. Use a gentle, food-safe sealing spray to lock in color without saturating the paper. Add embossed lines or a small logo for realism, then let everything dry fully before handling so edges stay crisp and colors remain true.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.